All right, so let's talk about things you need before starting a YouTube channel. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Well, I got good news for you. So there's some things you need before starting. So I just wanted to take the time and cut on the camera and talk to you real quick about some things that you're going to need. And the first thing I want to talk about is a phone. Okay. I don't want you to waste time missing out on opportunities to get your video out because you think you got to have this big fancy camera. I'm on my phone now and I'm pretty sure it's crystal clear. Most phones shoot in very, very high definition. If you got a smartphone or Android or iPhone, you're good to go. Okay, you can worry about the other stuff later as your YouTube channel grows and you start making money. But focus on getting the videos out. So pretty much the first thing you're going to need is just a phone. You know, keep it simple, keep it sweet. All you need is a phone. Don't worry about the other stuff. You don't need all that right now. It's good to have it, but right now you don't need it. Technology today is outstanding, and these smartphones have very, very high definition. So that's the first thing I want to put that on your mind, and don't let that stop you. Use your phone. You got a phone, you're good to go. Most everybody in the world got a phone now. So if you don't have one, get one. All right. Let's talk about the next one. You need to have a schedule. Okay, you need to be on it. You need to have a schedule when you're going to record. Okay, because YouTube requires consistency, and if you're not consistent, you will not be competitive. YouTube is a very competitive platform, and in order to stand out, you must be producing content, valuable content. And the best way to do that is to have a set schedule when you're going to record. Now, in addition to having a set schedule, you need to know where am I going to record. You need to have a set designated area. This is an area set for recording. Like for me, you know, I have an area in my home and also have an area in my car. Like I love shooting videos in the car because I'm in the car, I'm by myself, no one's bothering me, no distractions, and the lighting is very good. The light is coming in from, you know, from the sun inside the car, the rays are beaming in, and it's a good setup for me. I love it. I'm pretty sure you can see me crystal clearly. But have a designated area that you're going to be using for recording, and use that in your scheduled time to pump out massive amounts of videos. And I do recommend recording in bulk. Don't try to do one a day or one, every time you record, do one. No, do as many as you can. Okay. And we're going to talk about in the later videos about keyword research. These are some things you need to learn prior to hitting the record button. You need to know who you're going to target with your videos. Okay. So I'm hoping making sense. So let's recap right quick. So first thing you're going to need is a phone, set schedule, and a designated area for recording. That's it. And I hope you found value from this video. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and be sure to share this video with someone who may find value as well. All right, I'm Larry Porter signing off, and I will see you on the next one with Larry and Umeka with your daily dose of time freedom.